What's up, guys? We're gonna be doing the zombie thing. I already got some zombies, so let's just trap them. I have a good idea. Wait, toggle. Just like, if this annoys your ears, just click off the video. I'm scared. Hey, everyone. Oh. Winter. Guys, you gonna move? I'm on fire, bro. Stop moving. And then now move. Are you guys broken or something? You guys are... Oh! Help. Guys, can you... It's like... You're gonna die. Bruh. Can we get a headshot? Oh. Oh, headshot. Aimed right for the head, buddy. Alright. Which one is what a mess with me? Yeah, I'm gonna cut through you guys to see. You're kind of good. Alright, and boom! No. Alright, you are the good one. See if there's another zombie that is good.
A little bit.
Boom. No, you are not good. Woo! Reload. Turbo zombie AI. Now they probably follow me? Yep. Alright. Actually, you're not good. Boom! Should just spawn like a million. No. Go away. At least I can't get attacked. Dude, I should do that. Alright, now that they're all chasing me, get ready. Oh god, they can attack me. Well, they could already attack me, but now they could do like damage. Alright, oh my god, they're all rushing towards me. Guys, you're cheating. Guys, you're cheating. You're a cheater.
What I said is that.
Easy.
Okay.
Oh my god. Come on. Easy. Okay, I have a gun. Don't mess with me. It's not loaded though. Alright, it's loaded. I need a new gun. This one's horrible. Scar H, I guess. This doesn't look any better. Oh my god. Reload, come on. Tool gun. What the heck? What the heck is a tool gun, bro? Oh.
That's fine. Thanks. I wouldn't expect anything less.
Maybe a third
I'm gonna count that as cheating. This looks awesome. Alright. Turn the gore off. Ow. It's spawning million. What the heck is going on? Alright guys, you ready? Alright. Let's see the super. Oh my god. I don't even know which one got hit. It makes me slower when reload, but is OP. Look at that. Oh god, I gotta use a flamethrower. You're not even moving, bro. Well, you're already dead. As soon as I killed him, this one's coming after me because he died. Oh! No, they're all coming after me. Oh no. Bro, I could kill you guys all day. Oh god, no. Bye-bye. Oh, I killed him. You're gonna die. If you don't die. Oh god. That one is just jumpy one. I don't like you. Good morning, the loss. But the other ones come after me. You won the loss. No. No. Go mourn the loss. Yeah, go mourn the loss. Go mourn the loss. Go mourn the yeah, go mourn the loss of your zombies. Look, they're doing it. Boom. Bruh. Not even headshots. Oh god. Set him on fire. I'm gonna trap him. Okay, we're done. Dude, I better get 400. Oh my god. Am I okay? Alright, 490 kills. Be still. And alright. Yo, boom. Where is the oh. The word scope makes me scared. Run, run, run. So he stops chasing me. Go away. Alright, is your way up? Bro. Eyes on the target. What the heck? Glock 19. Bruh. I think I used the hunting rifle. Oh my god. Scope. Boom. Which is the one? There's one that you could just... I don't know where it is. Not the hunting. MG, Glock. Is it the tool gun, bro? Is it in this? Is it in this? Doomblade? I think it was the musket. You go like chainsaw. I wonder what gore looks like. Don't worry, YouTube, it's made for sure. No, it's not. I like when people comment on my videos. Boom, boom, boom. We're close to the ground. What's up, bro? Did I even get him? How? Let's go, let's go. Come on. I bet I could kill all of you with just one gun. Boom. Easy. Let's kill the zombies. Think about it.